What's good, MoneyVerse fam? Listen, -2025 just changed the entire online game. People in the USA are now making $100 to $500 a day without selling products, without freelancing, without even creating content full-time. They're doing it by renting out AI tools. Yep, you rent the tools, not your time. And trust me, this side hustle is a straight W if you want to make fast digital money from your phone. Let's break down exactly how it works and how you can start today. Let's run it up. So look, AI tools aren't just apps anymore. They're digital machines that people use for writing, editing, business planning, schoolwork, content creation, automation, productivity, marketing, coding, basically everything. But here's the thing, most people don't want to learn how to use these tools. They don't have time. They don't want subscriptions. They just want a ready-made AI tool they can use instantly. So what do? You build the tool ONCE, then let people access it for a fee. Like renting a car, but it's an AI system. Simple, scalable, and hella profitable. First method, renting custom ChatGPT bots. This is one of the fastest growing hustles in the USA right now. OpenAI released GPT Builder. You can build your own finance bot, diet plan bot, homework helper bot, resume writer bot, real estate script bot, TikTok ideas bot, SEO content bot, legal assistant bot, email reply bot. Dude, the list is endless, and people will pay for access. Why? Because your bot saves them time and headache. Here's how you monetize. Step 1. Build a bot for a niche problem. Step 2. Make it public. Step 3. Sell access through Gumroad, Ko-Fi, Khip, Patreon, or even your own link in bio page. Charge $3 to $10 a month per user. Get 100 users, gives boom, recurring bag. And you're not working daily. The bot is, this one's fire. You can build AI-enhanced Canva systems, like a full content creator toolkit, and then rent access. For example, 50 Reels templates, 30 Instagram carousel designs, 100 TikTok hooks, 200 caption ideas, complete brand kits. People love shortcuts, especially creators in the US. You upload these to Gumroad or Etsy, and instead of selling one by one, you offer a monthly access pass. Creators pay $8 to $20 a month to use your system, all from assets you made once. This is the definition of digital rent money. Next, Notion plus AI toolkits. Bro, this one is exploding on TikTok. You build a Notion workspace like student homework management, small business tracker, social media posting system, fitness plus meal plan tracker, daily routine AI planner, AI-powered journaling system. Then, you rent access, not sell. Rent. People pay monthly to use your workspace because it's pretty, it's organized, it saves reminders, AI writes inside it, it automates their life. This side hustle is clean, passive, and super scalable. AI prompts are the new cheat codes in 2025. But people don't want to write them. So you build premium prompt libraries like real estate scripts, TikTok Reels ideas, podcast scripts, Etsy product descriptions, resumes plus cover letters, homework explanations, diet and workout plans, Amazon product titles. Then you offer monthly access for $5, $9, $15, whatever your value is. No editing, no delivery, just passive access money. Easy W. This one's crazy. You can use automation apps like Zapier, Make.com, Bardin Bot Press to create AI bots that do tasks automatically. send emails, reply to comments, generate content, write schedules, organize work, process data, then offer subscription access to your bot. Example: you build a YouTube title generator. Bot gives. People pay $10 a month to use it. You build it once. It works forever. This is the closest thing to digital passive income. Okay, let's talk prices, because this is important. For every AI tool you rent, here's the US standard. $3 a month gives starter bots. $8 a month gives mid-level systems. $15 a month gives premium AI toolkits. $20, $40 a month gives advanced Notion plus automation systems. Now check this math. 50 users times $10 a month equals $500 a month. 200 users times $10 a month equals $2,000 per month. And you did the work once. That's why renting AI tools is a different level of hustle. Here's where you list your AI tools for renting: Gumroad, Ko-Fi, Payhip, Etsy, StanStore, Fourth Wall, Selfie, Linktree's selling tools. All USA-friendly platforms. All beginner-friendly. All pay fast. AI is the new gold rush in America. But the smartest people aren't mining the gold. They're selling the tools for mining it. That's what you're doing when you rent out AI systems. You become the store owner. You create the tools. You own the asset. So stop waiting. Start building. Start renting. Start earning. Drop a taunt in the comments if you want the part 2. AI tools you can build in under 24 hours. MoneyVerse out. If you're ready for more real talk about getting video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell.